Welcome to Arcivate's tips and tricks for invoice processing. Here we are back in My Invoices, and we're looking at how we go and find or search for an invoice that we've processed. I know 4 digits of the invoice number. I could use a multitude of different types of criteria to find it, but let's look at this one up. I type in the number that I know, and there you are, I find it. It's a Dell invoice, and if I want to, I can also drill down into it and see the invoice image, one we've previously processed. Have a look out for this invoice and some of the other tips and tricks videos. We can see all the data that was collected off the invoice. We can also see the audit file, because this invoice has already been imported into the ERP, in this case, Oracle EBusiness Suite. We can see any attachments. We can also see if there were any comments, and we can see a full history of what happened, where, when, what, and how to that invoice. Straightforward. The ability to track an invoice, see what you've done to it, and you can even download any of these criteria as well in the future if you want. Join us again on tips and tricks for invoice processing.